How do I set up survey feature definitions? Are there any differences in survey feature definitions? The survey feature definitions in the native products are often stored in separate files from the design feature definitions. Because of this, an extra step is required to include the survey feature definitions in the DGN library. So let's look then how to link the survey feature definitions. I'm running in Power Geopack, but the process is the same in MX and in En-ROADS. The only difference is the file type that you link. So in Project Explorer, in the Feature Management tab, I'm going to right click and we have a Link Survey Feature Definitions option. And it's asking me for which is the survey styles that we want to link. And as noted, the process is the same for all three products. It's just a different file type that gets linked. So I'm going to choose, in this case, my Geopack file. In Geopack, you do have to export the SMD file into an XML file. And that's the file that I'm linking to here. So once the linking is finished, then we have a survey tab in our feature definitions. And these are the feature definitions that were linked from the existing file. So if I look at the properties, you'll see it looks the same as what we saw for our design feature definitions. But we want to pay attention to this survey panel. You'll notice since we linked this from a survey file, the survey toggle is set to true. We see it's also linked to a native style, except in this case it is the survey style file instead of the design file. Then we have alpha codes. What's the numeric code? Default zone. And then the terrain model attribute, which in this case is do not include, but could be break lines, spots, etc. Now there is a check that's performed as we link the survey feature definitions, because you can often have in survey a feature definition with the same name as one which exists in design. And I have an example of that here. The feature definition named CL already existed in my files that I linked for design. And so when I linked the survey feature definitions, it detected the matching name, and instead of creating a duplicate, it merely changed the survey panel settings for that feature definition that already existed in design.